Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we have got something exciting for you. We are going to explore some incredible patio ideas to help you transform your outdoor space. Whether you have a small balcony or a spacious backyard, we have got something for everyone. Let's dive into the world of outdoor transformation. The first step is creating a fantastic outdoor patio is to define your space. Decide on the purpose of your patio. Is it for dining, longing, gardening, or all of the above? This will guide your design choice. Invest in comfortable sitting options, whether it is cozy, longer chairs, a stylish outdoor sofa, or a classic dining set. Make sure your patio furniture is both functional and inviting. Outdoor lighting can set the mood for your patios. Consider string lights, lantern lights, or even solar powered pathways light to create a warm and welcoming atmosphere for evening gathering. Integrate greenery and plants into your patio's design. Potted plants, hanging baskets, or a vertical gardens can add a refreshing touch of nature to your outdoor space. And outdoor rugs can define your patio's area and add a pop of color and style. Don't forget to include outdoor accessories like cushions, throws, pillows, and outdoor art to enhance the overall look. For hot and sunny days, shade solutions are a must. You can use a pergola and umbrellas or even shade sails to protect yourself from the sun rays while enjoying your patio. If you love cooking and dining outdoors, consider adding an outdoor kitchen or a simple grill setup. A dining area with a barbecues can turn your patios into a perfect spot for hosting friends and family. For coolers, evenings, and a cozy ambience, think about in sitting a fire pit or a fireplace on your patios. It's a great addition for creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. If you want more privacy on your patios, consider using screen trails or tall plants to create a shaded rated in your outdoor space. Add your personal touch to your patios. Incorporate elements that reflect your style and personality, such as decorative lantern, outdoor arts, or unique furniture pieces. Transforming your outdoor space into a beautiful and functional patios is all about creative and thoughtful design. With the right ideas and a little effort, you can create a space that is perfect for relaxation, entertainment, and enjoy the great outdoors. Thank you for watching. If you found this patios idea helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more outdoor design inspiration. If you have any question or want to share your own patios transformation ideas, feel free to leave a comments below.